Almighty Allah desired to be praised only. My dear students, all of you are quite aware regarding the COVID-19. We are worldly under threat. So, we have been directed to take your class through online. Now, I am standing before you to discuss some aspects of grammar of intermediate first year and second year. I am Johorul Haq, lecturer of English, Dimla Islamia College, Dimla Nilphamari. Today I would like to discuss regarding the modal auxiliaries. At first, you have to know what is modal auxiliaries. Now, look at the board. Those auxiliaries verbs carry different meanings with adding principal verbs are called modal auxiliaries. Again, those auxiliaries verbs carry different meaning with adding principal verbs are called modal auxiliaries. We know there are various types of modal auxiliaries, but when we go to use modal auxiliaries, we are in dilemma, we are in juncture to use what sort of modal auxiliaries we have to use. Among them, used is such. It is a complicated modals. As it is, that is use a complicated modal auxiliaries. So, today I would like to mention various types of use of used. Now, used can also be an adjective meaning accustomed, especially accustomed means habituated or normal phenomena. We are gradually used, but here used has different meanings also. It is then preceded by become or get any tense and followed by the preposition. That is, the structure is to plus noun, oblique pronoun or gerund. Now, these three, to, noun, oblique pronoun or gerund, today these 6 sentences are followed by this structure. Yes, sir, I am used to talk. Here, I am used to talking in a mass. These 2 sentences are in present indefinite tense. Now, they soon got used to driving regulations. They soon got used to driving on the left. These 2 sentences here I have used past indefinite tense. Actually, we have a firm faith or firm belief or blind belief that used may be used in past tense, but no. Used also used in future tense also. You will soon get used to upgrade typewriter. You will soon get used to upgrading typewriter. Here, these 2 sentences, here I have used future indefinite tense. So, dear student, you will follow our lectures and note all these materials in your khatas and practice more and more. In such way, our class will be continued. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.